welcome. This is MegaDennismenace here, and yeah, I just wanted to show you guys something that, last month I took a hiatus from YouTube for a whole month. Mostly because I was dealing with, the last month of classes in university. I was working on projects for my 3 different classes, and some went well and some didn't. Basically, that's how classes go. But yeah, one of them, I made a short comedy film. Why am I using quotations? Of course it's a comedy film. And I used as much special effects as I could possibly think of using this green screen behind me. Now, this green screen is not a legitimate green screen. It's actually a lime green sheet that I have pinned to the wall and stretched out, flattened it enough, and lit up properly. So I thought it would be fun to share with you guys that short little video that I made, and without further talking about it, here it is. Hello everyone, how are you today? Oh, yeah, very good. Thank you for asking. I'm doing. So, today, I want to show you something that I got in the mail. It's listing right here. It's a Flash Gordon ray gun replica. Look at that. It's so spacey looking. Isn't that awesome? Look at that. Okay, so it's got this little trigger here. It's actually shot my TV. It's not a replica after all. I have an actual ray gun, but my TV is broken. Okay, what kind of wound are we dealing with? Okay, is the OR ready? Is the OR ready? What are they waiting for? Christmas? Get the place ready. Beep. 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 Right, that was brilliant, everyone! Yes, now, for the next scene, cue the wizard! Cue the wizard? To fix a television set? I'm very busy wizard, and I do not have time to be doing such trivial things. Blah! But we need to have magic in the movie, hence movie magic! Fine. Here. Now leave me alone! Alright, now that I got my TV back from the hospital, it has a full recovery, the screen is completely fixed, and everything. I'm gonna play some Pokemon. Yeah. It stopped working. Let's try some. Nope, that didn't work. That's not working either. There we go. yeah. Got my TVs fixed. And I have an actual ray gun. Dang it! Wasn't that silly? I know I made such a silly characters and voices and different weird things and about TV repair and all the strangest things I could think of for special effects. I put it in there. So let me know if you guys liked it, or if you want to see more of the other strange things I've done in classes and other things. If you want to make me more, if you want to make me, and would you like me to make more things like this, then let me know. And I'll talk to you guys next time. Remember, keep it to Gamer Fusion, because Gamer Fusion empowers your gaming. I guess I have to say that at the end of every video. But yeah, thanks guys for watching, and bye-bye.